In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT on Zoho Invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to type, and how to save a VAT tax so you can use it on your invoices right away. Start on your Zoho Invoice dashboard. Look toward the top right and click the small gear icon to open settings. This is where all your account configurations live, including taxes. If you also use Zoho Books, the process is virtually identical, so these steps will feel familiar. Inside Settings, find and select Taxes. This page lists your existing tax rates and is where you manage anything related to sales tax or VAT. To create a new VAT, click the New Tax button. This opens a simple form where you'll provide the details Zoho needs to apply the tax correctly to your invoices. In the tax name field, type a clear, recognizable name. VAT works well, but you can be more specific if you manage multiple rates, for example, VAT standard or VAT reduced. Clear naming helps you and your team select the right tax quickly when creating invoices later. Next, enter the rate. This is the percentage your region requires. Common examples include 5%, 7.5%, or 20%. Type the number value only. Zoho will treat it as a percentage. Double check this against your local rules, and if your country has multiple VAT rates, consider creating separate entries for each one so you can choose the correct rate per item or customer. Now add the tax authority. This is the name of the government body you report to, such as your national or regional tax authority. Entering it here helps keep your records tidy and makes reporting clearer, especially when you export tax summaries or prepare returns. Once you've confirmed the name, rate, and authority are correct, click Save. Zoho will store the VAT and make it available anywhere you select taxes, such as when you create or edit an invoice or set tax rules for items. If you don't immediately see it on an invoice, refresh your browser and try again. A few tips before we wrap up. Always verify your VAT rate and naming conventions with your local tax guidance, as regulations can change. Keep your tax list organized with consistent names to avoid selecting the wrong rate. And after saving, test it by drafting a sample invoice and selecting your new VAT to make sure the totals look right. That's it. Your VAT is now added and ready to use in Zoho Invoice.